Hi, my name is Vance. I'm a sales rep at Midstate Equipment in Janesville, Wisconsin, and today I'm going to show you how to use the washport on your John Deere mower deck. It is important to wash out your mower deck to reduce the amount of buildup from clippings and to extend the life of your mower deck. Your first step is going to be to find a level area near a water source. Next, we're going to turn off the engine, hop off, and attach the end of your hose to the washport on your deck. After you are connected, turn on your water and start your engine. Lower your mower deck all the way down. Push the throttle all the way forward into the fast position. Next, you're going to turn on your mower deck and let it run for a minute. When your minute is up, you can turn off the mower deck, engine, and the water. Your final steps will be removing the hose from your deck, raise it back up, and find an area for the mower deck to dry before the next use. And that's how you use the washport on a John Deere mower deck. If you need any further assistance, you can contact our service department at any of our 7 locations across southern Wisconsin.